Are you new to camping and don't know what equipment to start with? Welcome to the fascinating world of outdoor adventures. As you embark on your first camping trip, it's essential to be well prepared. Having the right equipment not only ensures your comfort but also your safety. Today we're going to navigate the vast array of camping gear, focusing on the must-haves for beginners. From shelter to cooking, safety to navigation tools, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the essential camping gear for beginners. First, let's talk about shelter, the most important part of camping. Your tent is your home away from home, protecting you from the elements and providing a cozy space to rest. When choosing a tent, consider the size, material, and ease of setup. A good rule of thumb is to select a tent that accommodates one more person than your party size. This extra space can be used for storage or simply for stretching out. Now, onto sleeping bags. Just like tents, sleeping bags come in a variety of styles, sizes, and insulation types. Consider the weather conditions of your camping site. For colder climates, a mummy-style bag with higher insulation is ideal. For warmer climates, a lighter rectangular bag should suffice. And don't forget the comfort factor. A good sleeping bag will ensure you're well rested for the next day's adventures. Remember, a good night's sleep is crucial for enjoying your camping trip. Next up, let's talk about cooking equipment. When it comes to preparing meals in the great outdoors, you want to keep things simple, lightweight, and durable. A portable stove is a camper's best friend. It's compact, easy to use, and can cook a variety of meals. Pair it with some efficient fuel, and you're good to go. Now onto cookware. A camping pot and a frying pan are essentials. These should be lightweight, hard-wearing, and preferably non-stick. Trust me, no one wants to scrub burnt beans off a pan in the middle of the woods. Utensils, they're often overlooked but vital. A spork, that's a spoon and fork in one, and a light knife can cover most of your needs. Remember, every piece of gear you carry should earn its space in your backpack. Make sure they're lightweight, durable, and versatile. Eating well is just as important as sleeping well on a camping trip. Now let's move on to safety and navigation tools. In the great outdoors, it's crucial to have the right tools to ensure your safety and help you navigate. A compass, for instance, is one of the oldest and most reliable navigation tools. It always points north, guiding your path no matter where you are. A map, on the other hand, provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, helping you plan your route and identify landmarks. But what happens when night falls, or when you find yourself in a low-light situation? That's when a flashlight comes in handy. It not only illuminates your path, but can also be used to signal for help in emergencies. Speaking of emergencies, a first aid kit is a must-have. From treating small cuts and blisters to managing more serious injuries, a well-stocked first aid kit can be a lifesaver. Stay safe and never lose your way with these essential tools. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the essentials of a beginner's camping equipment kit, starting with the importance of a quality shelter. A sturdy tent and a comfortable sleeping bag are not just luxuries. They form the very foundation of a safe and enjoyable outdoor experience. They protect you from the elements, provide warmth, and offer a cozy retreat after a day of adventure. Next, we delved into the realm of campfire cuisine, exploring the basic cooking equipment needed for a satisfying meal under the stars. A portable stove, lightweight cookware, and heat-resistant utensils are your culinary comrades in the wild. They make cooking feasible and fun, turning simple ingredients into hearty meals that fuel your exploration. We then navigated the terrain of safety and orientation tools. A reliable compass, a detailed map, and a multi-purpose toolkit are your lifelines in the wilderness. They assist you in finding your way, making quick repairs, and ensuring your safety in unfamiliar territory. As we wrap up, remember that every piece of equipment has its role in your camping adventure, from shelter to sustenance, from safety to exploration. And while it might seem like a lot to pack, each item is designed with portability and functionality in mind, making them easy to carry and invaluable in use. Remember, preparation is key to a successful camping trip. Happy camping!